Hello students, welcome back. So we are doing exercise 22b from trigonometry, isn't it? And we have completed till question number 19 in our previous video. So today we'll start right from question number 20. Okay, so let's begin. So this is question number 20 from exercise 22b. Let's read out the instruction of the question first and then we will proceed to solve. Okay, in a triangle ABC, so this is triangle ABC. Okay, AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is drawn perpendicular to BC, 90 degree here. Okay, 90 degree, this side also 90 degree, and given sine B equals to 0.8. the value of sine B is given to us. Sine B equals to 0.8. okay, this is given to us. BD is 9 centimeter. BD is 9 centimeter. Okay, and tan of angle C, tan C equals to 1. Find the length of AB, AD, AC and DC. So we are asked to find AB, AD, AB, AD, okay, AC and DC. DC 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides. Okay, let us solve this question. So we have sine B equals to 0.8, isn't it? We are talking about this angle. Okay, when we talk about this angle, the sides adjacent to these angles are BD and AB, isn't it? AB is the hypotenuse, BD is base. Okay, AD becomes perpendicular, isn't it? So sine B equals to 0.8. we remove the decimal point and we introduce 1 0 in the denominator. Okay, we remove a decimal point and introduce 0 in the denominator. So 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So sine B equals to 4 upon 5, isn't it? So this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. Some people have perpendicular is 4, and when we talk about this angle, perpendicular is AD, isn't it? AD equals to 4 and hypotenuse is AB. AB equals to 5. So we need base BD. BD equals to question mark. Okay, now applying Pythagoras theorem, BD square, that is base square, equals to hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse is AB, hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square, AD square, isn't it? Or BD squared equals to AB is 4, sorry, AB is 5, isn't it? So 5 squared, this is equal to, okay, 5 squared minus AD is 4, 4 squared, or BD squared equals to 5 squared is 25 minus 4 squared is 16, isn't it? Or BD equals to 25 minus 16 is 9, isn't it? So square we take to the right hand side, becomes root under. Therefore BD equals to root under 9 means 3. Okay, we found BD equals to 3, but according to question, BD is given to us 9 centimeter. Okay, now let us write AB and BD. Okay, AB, BD, and we can write AD also. We are using rule of 3 method. Okay, the easiest method to find AB and AD. So when AB is 5, when AB is 5, okay, when AB is 5, BD is 3, BD is 3 and AD is 4, isn't it? Are you getting me? When AB is 5, when AB is 5, BD is question mark means 3, BD is 3 and AD is 4, AD is 4. So when BD is 9, BD is 9. Okay, so what will be AB and what will be AD? This is the question, isn't it? So AB equals to, first we find AB. Okay, AB equals to, forget about AD right now, think about BD and AB only, AB and BD. Okay, BD and AB. When BD is 3, AB is 5. When BD is 9, what will be AB? When BD is 3, AB is 5. When BD is 9, what will be the value of AB? So BD is increased from 3 to 9, isn't it? Simultaneously, AB will also increase from 5 to certain number. The required number here is obviously greater than 5, isn't it? The number required here will be obviously greater than 5. Since BD increased from 3 to 9, so AB will also increase from 5 to some number which will be greater than 5, isn't it? So out of these two numbers, the greater number will be in the numerator and the smaller number will be in the denominator, because the required value is greater than this number, isn't it? So we write 9 upon 3 into 5. Okay, so 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, isn't it? So 3 5s are 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. We found AB is 15. Okay, when BD is 9, AB is 15. Now we will find AD. Forget about this, just talk about these two numbers. Okay, when BD is 3, AD is, when BD is 3, AD is 4. When BD is 9, AD will be more, obviously, isn't it? Because BD increased from 3 to 9, so AD will also increase from 4 to certain number. That number will be greater than 4, isn't it? So the value of AD will be, out of these two numbers, the greater number, because the required value is greater than 4, so the greater number will be in the numerator and the smaller number will be in the denominator. If the required value was lesser than this 4, then out of these two numbers, a smaller number would have been in the numerator and the greater number in the denominator. Okay, but the required value is greater than 4, so we write 9 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. Okay, into 4. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. This gives us 3 4s are 12. So 12 centimeter and 50 centimeter. We found AD 12 centimeter. Okay, now we have AD. Okay, now we will find AC and DC. Please take the screenshot. I'm erasing this. Okay, since in the second case the given condition is tan C equals to 1, tan C equals to 1, since tan C equals to 1, tan theta means perpendicular upon base, isn't it? So we are talking about this angle, tan of angle C, perpendicular is AD and base is DC, isn't it? Perpendicular AD by base DC equals to 1. Or what is AD? AD is known to us, 12, isn't it? AD is 12 upon DC equals to 1. Therefore DC into 1 equals to DC equals to 12. So we found DC as 12. Okay, now let us find AC. In triangle ADC, applying Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ADC, applying Pythagoras theorem, AC square, that is hypotenuse square, equals to perpendicular square plus base square, isn't it? AC square equals to perpendicular square, means AD square, plus base square, base is DC square. Okay, or what is AC? AC is unknown to us. We are trying to find AC. What is AD? AD is 12, isn't it? AD is 12. So 12 squared plus DC is also 12. 12 squared. AD is 12, DC is 12. Okay, these are all centimeters. Now AC equals to, AC squared equals to 12 squared is 144. 12 12s are 144. Okay, so 12 squared again 144. Let me continue here. Now AC equals to, or AC equals to, okay, AC equals to 144 plus 144. 1 plus 1 is 2, 44 plus 44 is 88. 288. So we take this square to the right hand side, becomes root under, or AC equals to, we'll find the root of 288, okay? 288. 4 7s are 28, 4 2s are 8, isn't it? Again, 4 1s are 4, 5 6 7 3, 32, 4 8s are 32, 3 6 are 18, 3 2s are 6, isn't it? So this gives us 4 into 4 into 3 into 3 into 2, 4 into 4 into 3 into 3 into 2, isn't it? Or AC equals to, this 4 we make pair and write 1 4, this 3 we make pair and write 1 3, and this 2 doesn't have pair, so it will remain within the root. Therefore AC equals to 4 3s are 12 root 2, okay, centimeter. We found AC is 12 root 2 centimeter, okay. We were asked to find AB is 15, AD is 12 centimeter, of course. AC is 12 root 2 centimeter, and DC is 12 centimeter. I hope you got this. Now let us do question number 21. Let's do question number 21. Given Q tan A equals to P. This is the given condition, okay. Find the value of P sin A minus Q cos A whole upon P sin A plus Q cos A. So we are asked to find the value of this expression, isn't it? So let us use the given condition. Since Q tan A equals to P, small p, isn't it? Or let us take this Q to the denominator in the right hand side by cross multiplication, okay. Tan A equals to P upon Q, isn't it? This Q goes to the right hand side by cross multiplication. Now this is perpendicular and this is base. Tan theta means perpendicular upon base. So we have perpendicular, P is small p, base is small q, and hypotenuse is unknown to us, isn't it? Let us find hypotenuse by using Pythagoras theorem, okay? Since we know that h square equals to perpendicular square plus base squared. Or what is h? H is unknown to us. What is perpendicular? P is small p squared plus what is base? Base is q squared. Or h equals to, we take this square to the right hand side, becomes root under p squared plus q squared, isn't it? So hypotenuse is root under p squared plus q squared. We have perpendicular, we have base, and we have hypotenuse. Now let us find the value of this expression, okay? Since we are asked to find the value of P sin A minus Q cos A whole upon P sin A plus Q cos A, isn't it? Let me continue here. So what is sin A? This P we write as it is P, okay? This is P into, what is sin A? Sin A means some people have perpendicular upon hypotenuse, isn't it? So perpendicular is P upon hypotenuse is root under P square plus Q square. Root under P square plus Q squared, okay? Minus, so we write minus here. Q we copy as it is Q into cos A, curly brown hair, base upon hypotenuse. And what is base? Base is a small q, and hypotenuse is root under p square plus q square. Root under p square plus q squared whole upon, again p sin A, isn't it? So this p, this p, this one p. Sin A means some people have perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular is P. And what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is root under P square plus Q square. P square plus Q square. Plus, here we have plus, isn't it? Q cos A. So Q into cos A means curly brown hair, base is Q, hypotenuse is root under P square plus Q squared. Now P into P is P square, Q into Q is Q square. So P square upon root under P square plus Q square minus Q square upon root under P square plus Q square. So we can take the common 1 upon root under P square plus Q square, isn't it? From both the numbers we have root under P square plus Q square common. So the first term will be P into P, P square minus Q into Q, Q square. Because in the denominator we have root under P square plus Q square, root under P square plus Q square, root under P square plus Q square, root under P square plus Q square. We take the common and root under P square plus Q square is taken common. Okay. So here also we do the same thing, root under P square plus Q square, root under P square plus Q square. We take the common 1 upon root under P square plus Q square is taken common. So within the bracket P into P is P square plus, we have plus here, Q into Q is Q squared. Now these two numbers are same number, isn't it? So we can cancel this. So we have P square minus Q square in the numerator, and in the denominator P square plus Q square. So this is the answer for question number 21. Okay. Now let us do question number 22. Number 22. If sin A equals to cos A, find the value of 2 tan square A minus 2 sec square A plus 5. So the given condition is sin A equals to cos A, and we are asked to find the value of that expression, isn't it? So let us use the given condition. Since sin A equals to cos A, isn't it? Let us cross multiply this and bring this cos A to the denominator of sin A. Okay. So sin A by cos A equals to 1, isn't it? We bring this cos A to the denominator of sin A, 1 remains in the right hand side. Okay. Or sin A by cos A means tan A, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Okay. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So sin A by cos A is tan A. Tan A equals to 1, isn't it? So tan A is 1 means we can say that 1 is in the denominator, isn't it? Every number has 1 in the denominator. So perpendicular and base. Perpendicular is also 1 and base is also 1. Perpendicular is 1 and base is 1. So we need hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is unknown to us, isn't it? Let us find hypotenuse. Okay. Applying Pythagoras theorem, h square equals to p square plus b square. So this is Pythagoras theorem. Or h squared equals to, what is p? P is 1 squared plus what is b? B is 1. So 1 squared. Or h equals to 1 squared is 1 plus this 1 squared is 1. So we take this square to the right hand side, becomes root under. Therefore h equals to root under 1 plus 1 is root under 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have perpendicular 1, base 1, and hypotenuse is root 2. Okay. Hypotenuse is root 2. Now let us find the value of this expression, 2 tan square A. Since we are asked to find 2 tan square A minus 2 sec square A plus 5, isn't it? Or 2, not or, equal to, okay, equal to 2 tan A means perpendicular upon base, isn't it? So perpendicular is 1 and base is also 1. Perpendicular 1, base 1. Perpendicular 1, base 1. Okay. So this is squared, isn't it? We put a square here. Minus 2, we write here as it is, sec A. Sec A means hypotenuse upon base. So what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is root 2 upon base. Base is 1. Okay. So 1 whole squared. This square we put here, plus 5. So 1 upon 1 means 1, isn't it? So let us write this 2 first, into 1 upon 1 means 1. 1 squared is 1 minus 2 we write here, into root 2 squared is 2. 1 squared is 1. 2 upon 1 means 2, isn't it? Root 2 squared means 2. 1 squared means 1. 2 upon 1, isn't it? So 2 upon 1 means 2 plus 5. Okay. So this is 2 ones are 2, minus 2 2s are 4 plus 5. So 5 and 2 are positive. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. So this is the answer for question number 22. Okay, plus 5 plus 2 is plus 7. Plus 7 minus 4 is plus 3. So I hope you got this. Let us do question number 23. Let us do question number 23. In rectangle ABCD. So this is the rectangle ABCD. This is the rectangle. Rectangle means opposite sides are equal, isn't it? BC and AD are equal to each other, opposite side. These are called lengths. AB and DC are also equal to each other. They are also the opposite sides, and these are called breadths, isn't it? And angle between adjacent sides are 90 degree. Okay. Given to us, diagonal BD is 26 centimeter. BD is 26 centimeter, isn't it? And cotangent of angle ABD, this angle, okay, ABD, this angle. Cotangent means cot. Given condition, cot of angle ABD. Cotangent of angle ABD is 1.5. 1.5. Okay. This is the given condition. Now we are asked to find the area and the perimeter of rectangle ABCD. Find the area and the perimeter of rectangle ABCD. So area means length into breadth, isn't it? So length is AD. AD is length into breadth is AB. Okay. AD into AB gives us area of this rectangle. And perimeter equals to 2 into length plus breadth, isn't it? So length is AD plus breadth is AB. Okay. So basically we are asked to find AD and AB, length and breadth, isn't it? So if we know AD and AB, we can find area by multiplying AD and AB, and we can find perimeter by just adding AD and AB and multiplying with 2. Okay. So let us find AD and AB. So given condition is cot of angle ABD is 1.5, isn't it? So this angle, when we talk about this angle in triangle ABD, okay, you can see this triangle, the upper triangle BDA, you can say BDA or DAB or ABD, whatever you say, angle BDA, triangle BDA in the upper triangle. When we talk about this angle, okay, angle ABD, this angle, the adjacent sides AB will be the base and the longest side BD will be the hypotenuse, isn't it? So the opposite side AD will be perpendicular. I hope you got this, isn't it? We have done this type of question. Now cot of angle ABD, let's write this first. Cot of angle ABD equals to 1.5 given, isn't it? So we can write this as 15 by 10. We remove the decimal point and introduce 1 0 in the denominator. Okay. So 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. So 3 upon 2. So base upon perpendicular. Cot theta means base upon perpendicular, isn't it? So base is 3, perpendicular is 2. Base is 3, perpendicular is 2. So let me write base. What is base? When we talk about this angle, base is AB. AB is 3, and what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is AD. AD is 2. Base is 3, perpendicular is 2. So we need hypotenuse BD. BD is unknown to us. BD is question mark. Please don't say BD is 26, okay? Because AB is 3, AD is 2. The ratio is different out here. So AB is 3, AD is 2. At that time we will find BD. Okay? Ratio is not different, ratio is same, but the numbers are different. Okay, AB is 3, AD is 2, BD is unknown to us. Let us find BD when AB is 3 and AD is 2. BD means hypotenuse, isn't it? So applying Pythagoras theorem, since hypotenuse square means BD square equals to perpendicular square means AD square. Okay, hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square means AB square, or BD squared equals to, what is AD? AD is 2. Okay, squared plus what is AB? AB is 3 squared. Or BD squared equals to 2 squared is 4 plus 3 squared is 9. Or BD equals to 4 plus 9 is 13. So we take the square to the right hand side, becomes root under. So BD is root under 13. We found BD is root under 13. Okay. Now let us use rule of 3 method. So let me write here AB, BD and AD. Okay, AD. So when AB is 3, BD is root 13. BD is root 13. Isn't it? BD is question mark, means BD is root 13. When AB is 3, BD is root 13. At the time AD is 2. AD is 2. So when BD is 26, okay, what will be the value of AB and what will be the value of AD? Okay, so we are asked to find AD and AB and AD when BD is 26. This is given, isn't it? Let us first find AB. Okay, AB equals to, we forget this, we just talk about this 2 only. Okay, so when BD is root 13, AB is 3. When BD is root 13, AB is 3. When BD is 26, AB is greater or lesser than 3? Obviously greater than 3, isn't it? Because root 13 is smaller than 26. So BD is increased here. So AB will also definitely increase, isn't it? So out of these two numbers, 26 will be in the numerator, root 13 will be in the denominator. Because BD has increased, so AD will also increase. If AD required value, AB, the required value is greater than this 3, then out of these two numbers, the greater number will be in the numerator and the smaller in the denominator. Okay, if the required value is greater than this, then the greater number will be in the numerator, a smaller number in the denominator. So this is not root 3, root 13. Okay, root 13. 26 upon root 13 into this 3, we write here. Okay, so this gives us 26. Let's rationalize this. Okay, 26 into 3 into root 13. I'm multiplying and dividing by root 13. Okay, in the denominator, root 13 into root 13, root 13 into root 13. I hope you are getting me. Here we have 26 into 3 upon root 13, isn't it? So 26 into 3 upon root 13, 26 into 3 upon root 13, 26 into 3 upon root 13. So multiplying and dividing by root 13. Okay, so this gives us 26 into 3 into root 13, 26 into 3 into root 13, isn't it? And in the denominator, root 13 into root 13 is 13. Root 13 into root 13 is 13. Okay, root 2 into root 2 is 2. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. Root x into root x is x. So root 13 into root 13 is 13. 13 1 is 13, 13 2 is 26. So we have 2 3 is 6, root 13. So we found AB. AB is 6 root 13. 6 root 13. We found AB. Now let us find AD. Okay, let me erase this. I need some space. So let us find AD now. Let's forget this. When BD is root 13, AD is 2. So when BD is 26, AD will be greater than 2 or lesser than 2? Obviously greater than 2, because BD is increased, so AD will also increase, isn't it? BD is increased here, so AD will also increase. Okay, so AD will be equal to the required value here is greater than 2, which means out of these two numbers, greater number will be in the numerator. So 26 will be in the numerator, root 13 will be in the denominator, root 13. Okay, so into this 2. Now same thing, we have root 13 in the denominator. Now let us eliminate root 13. Okay, what we do is we multiply and divide by root 13. So 26 into 2 into root 13, isn't it? 26 into 2 into root 13. In the denominator we have root 13 into root 13, means 13. So 13 1 is 13, 13 2 is 26. So this gives us 2 into 2 is 4 root 13. So AD is 4 root 13. We found AD as 4 root 13. Okay. Now we have AB, we have AD, isn't it? We can find area and perimeter. Okay. Please take the screenshot. I'm erasing this. Okay. So what will be the area? First, let us find the area, and after that perimeter. Okay. So area of rectangle ABCD, okay, ABCD. Area means length into breadth. So length is AD, length into breadth, breadth is AB. So we have AD and AB, so we can find area. AD is 4 root 13, and AB is 6 root 13. So 4 6 are 24. Root 13 into root 13 is 13. So 24 into 13, isn't it? 13 4s are 52, isn't it? 13 4s are 52. 2, we write 2 and 5 in hand. 13 2s are 26. 26 plus 5. 26 plus 5 is 31. Okay. 312 is square centimeter. So this is the area of rectangle ABCD. Now let us find perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle ABCD equals to 2 into length plus breadth. So what is length? Length is AD plus what is breadth? Breadth is AB. So 2, what is AD? AD is 4 root 13. AD is 4 root 13. 4 root 13 plus AB. AB is 6 root 13. Okay. So 2 into 4 root 13 plus 6 root 13 is 10 root 13. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 root 13, isn't it? So 2 10s are 20 root 13. 2 10s are 20 root 13 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of the rectangle ABCD, and this is the area. Okay. I hope you got this. Okay. This was for today. Thank you so much. Stay connected and practice well. Okay. I'll upload the rest of the questions in the next video. Thank you so much.